I thought it would be cool for us to have our affirmation board, our wellness affirmation board. And I started working on that, but I stopped. So we have a clean space right now. And I picked one of the formats, but as you can see, I've already deleted everything. So I'm starting on a clean slate. I think I want to add 2024 to it just to remind me of the year we are in. So 2024, I'm going to the elements and I'm going to type in my 2024. I'm going to look for one that is free because I'm using the free version of Canva. I think I like this one with the light. It looks quite Christmassy, but it's okay. And I'm going to hang that under my Wellness Vision Board 2024. So it's like the bells are hanging out, right? And then we'll go back to the um, photos, and I'm going to see if they can give me a calendar. I'd love to have an image of a calendar that is free. This one. Um, I'll keep it here for now. I'll keep it here for now, just in case I need it. I wish it didn't have the plan thing on it. You can actually modify, let's see, smart um crop. You can actually modify to take some of the pieces off and stuff like that. But I usually like images that I don't have to do much with. Okay, I don't want to do so much work so that I save time. We have to be efficient. I'll just delete this. I don't want it. Okay, let's go back to the things I uploaded. So we are going to do a quick affirmation board. This will be very helpful for me and I think you would love it as well. So back to my Pinterest, I downloaded some things already. You can go ahead and download what you need. So from here, um I love this one which said I enjoy having multiple streams of income. I think that is in line with our financial wellness theme. So I'm going to copy that. I did copy with my control command thing, and I'm coming back to Canva and I'm going to paste this here. But I'm making an affirmation board. I want to make sure that all the dimensions of health and wellness show in it. So I enjoy having multiple streams of income falls in line with my financial wellness theme. I'm going back to Pinterest. I'll show you the screen. I've already downloaded all these. So yeah, let's look for the other ones. I wanted something also related to my job, like occupational wellness. And I saw a few that I liked. I want to choose only one, so it's quite challenging. I'll go for this one. I will be the top pick for my desired job. This one is a great one. Always read and see what the creator wants. When we go back to Canva, I will show you something. So we are back to Canva. You see that when I was cropping, I didn't take out the lady boss affirmations out. Somebody worked hard to create this affirmation, so I don't want to take the credit from the person. And it doesn't hurt to have it there because I'm showing it publicly. I would like to have it there so that you see where this is coming from. I didn't create it myself. But if you are doing it on your own and you don't have much space, you can still take that out, trim that out by just cropping it out like that. However, I'll recommend that if you take somebody's image, at least go back there and like it or leave a comment so that the person knows that they are doing a great job. Sometimes you don't get acknowledgement you think you should get, but if you are using somebody's product, always like their thing or share something for them to know that you're enjoying what they are doing and they can do more. So the images I saved from Pinterest, I loved them before saving so that the people know that someone is enjoying their product. All right, so this one will work for my occupational wellness. It says I will be the top pick for my desired job. So let's go back to Pinterest and pick something else. I feel like I should copy the quality time with family again and then keep it there. It's a good reminder all the time on our affirmation board. But affirmations are usually sentences, things that will speak joy and positivity into your life. This one says, "Stop doubting yourself, work hard, make it happen." I liked it, but I would go for "I am worthy, I am worth the money." I sometimes have imposter syndrome. depending on what I'm working on. Sometimes I am in some places that I wonder, am I even supposed to be here? I am from Africa. I am here. I don't even speak perfect English. Why am I here? So I guess this one will be a good reminder that I am worthy of the money I'm earning. I'm worthy of the life I'm living. I'm worthy of whatever. Modify yours, make yours look pretty, be creative with your colors. But this is the idea affirmation board. All right, let's add something else. I would love to know what you will add to your affirmation board, and let me add it to mine. Okay. So we have something on money, we have something on our career. Let's go back to Pinterest. So oh yeah, I definitely need to show you this one. I downloaded two images. I have never been in a first class flight before. So I downloaded two images. I didn't know if this one was in a train or in a plane. But yeah, first class Emirates. I think let's use this one. I love this one. Let's use this one. But let's go back and I'll show you the other ones. I also downloaded this one. I love Emirates. I heard it's fantastic to be on Emirates first class. So maybe this year, before the year ends, I would like to enjoy some first class, experience. I want to also feel it. Steve Harvey said, if you ever fly first class, you would never want to return to the economy class. So I want to fly first class too. But this one will rather be on the vision board because it's not affirmation, right? It doesn't have words. But I could add text. Let me show you how you can add text. You can go to the side of your bar. You can choose text. They have different formats that you can use. That's why I like Canva. Again, I'm not being sponsored, but I use it. I pay for it in the past. I paid in the past. Now I'm using the free version. You can also use it too. I don't want to go for the pro because they will ask me to pay. So let's go for some of the free one. Let's try this one out, the glow. Let's put the glow somewhere here. I'll double click on it and then I will type fly first class. Okay. Oh, in fact, let me say I will fly first class. All right. So I don't like how big it is. It's taking much of my space. So I've highlighted it. I'm going to the text and I'm reducing it, right? All right. Beautiful. So something like this is cool. You can also change the color. I think I would love something brown to match the theme. Or maybe, oh, this is not bad. I will fly first class. Should I add Emirates to it? First class Delta will also not be bad. So I've put that at the bottom. So thriving friends, what do you think? How is it going at your end?